The lanky Manoj Pingle belongs to the weight category where India has always produced quality boxers right from the 70s to the present day. From the time of B.S. Thapa, who was the undisputed champion in the light fly class for a decade from the mid-70s onwards, to Dharmendra Singh Yadav in the 80s, and to the present with the likes of Dinku Singh and Briju Shah, who've done the country proud.
When I was 10 years old, that time I used to go for general fitness exercise, and in that institute they have boxing classes also. When I saw small boys like me, they are doing boxing, that time I feel even I can do boxing very good. So that time I joined boxing.
तो जब 5-6 साल का था तब हम एक ऐसा ही ट्रिप यानी कि साल बोलते मराठी में पिकनिक को गए थे हम कारला लेनी को। वहाँ कुछ लेनी वगैरह देखने के बाद हम एक ऐसे जगह पे बैठे जहाँ पेड़ था, तो वो जगह कुछ 4 फीट ऊंचाई की थी। तो वहाँ बैठे तो हमने खाना खाने को बैठे तो मनीष को बोला कि ऐसा ऐसा पीछे सरको, तो पीछे सरकते सरकते वो गिर गया तो उसको कुछ चोट भी नहीं लगी, हड्डी भी नहीं टूटी और वो रोया भी नहीं। फिर से उठा और फिर से वो खाना खाने को शुरू हो गया। तो पहले से ही तंदुरुस्त तो था ही, तो इससे मेरे को यकीन आया कि ये बॉक्सिंग के लायक ही है, क्योंकि बॉक्सिंग में मार देना पड़ता है वैसा लेना ही पड़ता है। तो करके मैं उसी समय समझ गया कि ये लायक है बॉक्सिंग के लिए।
Pingle himself showed tremendous potential in the brief span that his career lasted in the ring, and it was his crafty, slow and scientific style of boxing, accumulating points, which was later adapted successfully by boxers like Dharmendra Singh Yadav, Birju Shah and Dinku Singh.
My style of boxing was totally scientific. I never used to mix up with my opponent. I used to always moving. Used to collect more and more points. Never stands on one place. I use a whole ring always, never steadily playing. And I never allow my opponent to touch me. I avoid any punishment from my opponent. This is what I used to play when I was playing in boxing.
आज जो कंप्यूटर स्कोरिंग स्टार्ट हो गया है, जैसा बैक पैडलिंग करके स्कोरिंग करके बाहर जाना है, मैक्सिमम बॉक्सर ने सेफ रह के डिफेंस होके अटैक करना है, जो काउंटर अटैक टाइप का। पिंगले में स्टार्ट में पहले से ही था वो, और आज भी जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं वो उसी बेस पे हम लोग कर रहे हैं। आज भी जो इंटरनेशनल में बॉक्सिंग होता है, जैसा पिंगले ने सीख लिया, इंटरनेशनल में जाकर पिंगले ने सब इस चीज़ सीख गया। पहला वो इतना करता नहीं था, अच्छा बॉक्सर था वो, अच्छे स्कोरिंग करता, जीतता भी था, लेकिन ये जो चीज़ थे, जो चेंजेस ऑफ टेक्निक और स्टाइल ऑफ बॉक्सिंग, ये सब पिंगले ने अब्रॉड जाकर काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस होने के बाद वो सीखते रहा, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता सीखते, और आज वही कंडीशन है अपने इंडिया में कि वर्ल्ड में सब वही स्टाइल से बॉक्सिंग करते हैं। कंप्यूटर स्कोरिंग बोलते, जैसा आया बॉक्सर, टच किया, बीट किया, हिट किया, वो ऑटोमेटिकली कंप्यूटर स्कोरिंग होता है। और वैसा स्कोरिंग आज क्या इसके आगे भी चलता रहेगा, क्योंकि बॉक्सिंग को सेव करने का चल रहा है। मैक्सिमम कंप्यूटर में लाकर सेफ इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि हार्ड हिट और एक्यूरेसी पंचेस का और टाइमिंग, ये पिंगले में पहले से ही अच्छा था।
He'd been a very good boxer. He had a very nice footwork and used to glide in. His specialty was to get inside the boxer and then box. And then hit and run away, And it was very difficult to catch him, because he's pretty fast on his legs, pretty fast with his offense actions and defense at the same time. And because of his footwork and body movement, he used to get away from the opponent's barrage of punches, etc. and he was very good at it. And people were finding it difficult to get inside his guard and hit him. And he boxed in the featherweight category. That is one of the most fastest weight categories ever in the lighter weights. Because as you grow on an upper weight category, the boxer kind of becomes slow. But in his weight category, he was fast. And he did very well.
Pingle hit the national and international boxing scene in a big way in 1986. The 18-year-old Pingle, weighing around 40 kilograms and raring to go at any opposition, drew attention when he won the gold at the Bangalore Nationals in the light fly class. For Pingle, representing Maharashtra, it was his first major journey, and his superlative showing earned him a berth in the Junior Asian Meet to be held in Kathmandu later that year. From there, Pingle just went from strength to strength. He punched his way through the finals, for which he had reserved his best, outsmarting an Indonesian boxer in the pin weight category.
In the year 1984, I participated in Maharashtra for Junior National Boxing Championship at Jamshedpur. There I won bronze medal, but in all three tournaments I played very well, so that they selected me for National Boxing Camp for Junior Asian Boxing Championship. Even in Junior Asian Boxing Championship, I won gold medal over there, and from there my boxing career starts. In the year 1988, I played Senior National Boxing Championship at Bangalore. There I won more than 5 tournaments and beat even services boxer, and I got the best boxer award of that tournament. After that, I played for India in Senior Boxing Championship also. In the international boxing, first I played Asian Games 1986 at Seoul. There I fought with world champion Korean boxer, and I played very well, and I got but I lose just by 1 point only. It was 3-2 decision in favor of Korean boxer.
For Pingle, a great future was predicted, and the Kathmandu experience was a moment to savor and then reproduce at the 1987 South Asian Federation Games in Calcutta, where he again won the gold, this time beating a Pakistani boxer in the finals. Pingle, graduating to the senior team, had won the bronze in the prestigious President's Cup held at Jakarta. His elevation to the senior team was a foregone conclusion, and it seemed that the nation had got a boxer who could fill in the shoes of the hardy boxer B.S. Thapa, who had reigned supreme from the mid-70s onwards.
I used to play in a weight group of Thapa only, that is light fly weight, 48 kilogram. But as he was a military boxer, and all military boxers has got a style of aggressive boxing only. But even Thapa was like that only. He was very much aggressive boxing, and my style was totally different than him. I was used to play defensive boxing, and Thapa was more aggressive and aggressive only. So there is no similarity in his boxing and my boxing.
Pingle also represented the country in the Asian Boxing Championships held in Kuwait in 1987, Beijing in 1989, the Asian Games in Beijing in 1990, and the Seoul Olympics in 1988. He, however, was unlucky to lose narrowly to tough opponents and lost out on medals. Pingle's greatest asset was his weaving style, his defensive maneuvers, and then, with a sudden shift of speed, he would lunge to split open his opponent's guard and throw in strong jabs and hooks. This helped him to win decisive points and was a lesson to boxers of that period who only went for the head and face.
I played in 88 Seoul Olympic Games. In that tournament, I first played with African boxer. I beat that boxer and entered into the quarter final. That was against Mexican boxer. even in that tournament, I lost just by a point only. In the beginning, I was on the lead. In first one round, I totally won that round. In the second round, it was a 50-50 round. Means he won half a round and half a round I won. The result of the bout was totally on last third round. That time I made a mistake that I played defensive, and that Mexican boxer, he was so clever. From the beginning of third round only, he started aggressive, playing aggressive. He collected more and more points of hitting punches on me, and that was the reason I lost just a single point only.
As a boxer gains confidence and he gets into various competitions, boxes with various other people, so naturally he improves on his style of performance. He has to think and plan a boxing bout, whether he's boxing with a taller opponent or a southpaw or an orthodox boxer. So experience kind of makes him to change his style of boxing, to match the style of boxing of the other opponent.
पहले शुरू में थोड़ा बॉडी को स्टिफ रखता था, थोड़ा एग्रेसिव टाइप था. अभी जो उसने जो स्टाइल जो बीच में चेंज किया, एग्रेसिव ही है वो, लेकिन मैक्सिमम वो ब्रेन से काम करता था. जैसा ब्रेन से आया बॉक्सर, देखा उसका वेट आ रहा है, टच भी करने से वो बॉक्सर को पनिश, सामने वाले बॉक्सर को पनिश करता था, और ऐसा पॉइंट स्कोर करके वो चैंपियनशिप में जीतता रहा.
Pingle was a surprise success. He did not come from either of the strongholds of boxing, the services and the railways, who've always nurtured boxing in the country. Pingle studied in Pune and was first noticed by boxing coach Madan Sharma, who took him under his wing and persuaded Pingle to continue with his sport. Later, when he moved to the national camps, O.P. Bharadwaj continued the youngster's tutelage, and for 2 years from 1989 to 1991, Pingle had the distinction of getting coached by Russian Anatoly Volkov.
Mr. Anatoly Volkov, he was a coach from Russia, which government appointed for us to, that was before Asian Games Beijing 1990. He was really a good coach, but that coach was with us for a very short period of time. If government would have keep him with us for a long term, we would have definitely got a medal in even Olympic also. He was a really very good, not only in a practice session, even other field also he used to cooperate with us. His style was so good. The latest style, what Russian people, boxers used to do, that style he used to teach us.
The modest young man of moderate means got assistance from the Maharashtra Boxing Association for his endeavours, and the late Aspi Adjania had a big hand in promoting the young man and nurturing his talent. Aspi, who had travelled around the world and watched boxing the year round at all the major bouts in the world, saw in Pingle an exciting prospect and was not disappointed with Pingle, whose rise to fame and success was meteoric.
I think Aspi Adjania, he is the person who brought the Indian boxing on an international map. He did lot for the international boxing, Indian boxing, to bring on the international map. He promoted many young boxers like me, even Thapa, Yadav, Gopal Devang was there, Birajdar was there. It was only because of Mr. Adjania who brought these all boxers for internationals. Previously, before Aspar Adjania, Indian boxers rarely get a chance to fight in international level. He helped me because such a local boxer like me who came for Olympic, only because of him, what I feel, because nobody takes so much interest in a local boxer like me. When he saw me fighting in local tournaments in Bombay, in Pune, that time only he started helping me to take me to international. He is a very good person, very cooperative. If any boxer is not having enough money for traveling and all, he used to give him, as well as he used to give kit for a poor boxer. He helped lot for us.
Pingle owes a lot to his contemporaries. There was strict competition in the light flyweight class, and there were 5 boxers in the weight category during 1986 to 1992 who continuously tried to improve their styles. This competition helped Pingle a lot. R.D. Matthew of Assam Rifles won the national title in 1987 after Pingle, K.L. Ghosh of the services in 1988, and then in the next nationals, S.P. Dorji got the gold while Pingle had to settle for the bronze.
That time from the year 1986 to 1990, that time the competition was very tough, mostly from the army boxing team. That time we had competitive boxers like D.S. Yadav was there, then Birajdar was there, then Dhanna Sanjayan was there from Madras Engineering Group. So many boxers was very tough that time, and I have to fought against them. For that I worked very hard to get selected in that competition.
It has helped his game to quite an extent because the competitions were tough in those days, and he was one of the best boxers what India had produced during that time, and he'd been a lot of tours, and he has won the championships, and he has earned quite a lot of reputation for himself in his particular weight category. So I'm sure that the experience has really helped him out. And as the years passed, he has improved on his style. We had a Cuban coach, Mr. Iglesias Fernandez. So he was with us in the camp at Bangalore. And he was very much pleased with his performance. And he also tried to polish his way of style of boxing to a certain extent.
Boxing for a long time was a tough proposition, with boxers having to stay away from home for long periods for training and then touring the country without friends and family.
शुरू में मदर राजी नहीं थी उनकी बाहर भेजने के लिए, क्योंकि लगातार वो 8 साल बाहर रहा, घर के बाहर लगातार 8 साल रहा। तो शुरू में मदर नहीं राजी थी, तो मैंने उनको समझाया कि बाहर तो जाना ही पड़ेगा, उसके सिवा वो आगे नहीं आ सकता खेल में। तो फिर मान गए बाद में वो।
शादी से पहले बिल्कुल भी नहीं जानती थी एक्चुअली। और जब पता चला कि ये जो बॉक्सर है तो थोड़ा बहुत मन में झिझक हो रही थी, अभी क्या करूं, क्योंकि बॉक्सिंग लोग इतना नहीं देखते जितना क्रिकेट और वगैरह वगैरह देखते हैं। तो बॉक्सिंग का गेम ही एक्चुअली मुझे मालूम नहीं था, सिर्फ वो मारते और मार खाते ऐसे मालूम था बस, और देखा भी नहीं था, इतना इंटरेस्टली तो देखा भी नहीं था जितने क्रिकेट अगर वगैरह जो देखते हैं। तो थोड़ा बहुत मैंने मम्मी डैडी से भी बोला था कि क्योंकि क्या हमारा जो माहौल जो रहता है या महाराष्ट्र का जो बॉक्सिंग तो बहुत टफ गेम है। तो मम्मी डैडी से मैंने पूछा कि क्या करें क्या नहीं। तो शादी तय होने में बहुत टाइम था, तो मैंने बहुत सोचा कि क्या करें क्या नहीं। फिर बाद में जब पता चला कि उन्होंने छोड़ दी बॉक्सिंग और उनको अर्जुन अवार्ड मिला और अभी वो बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा कि वो क्या बॉक्सिंग गेम ऐसा कि वहाँ कुछ आगे जाके कुछ फ्यूचर नहीं है उससे, जो बिजनेस में है वो आगे जाके उसमें नहीं था, जैसे क्रिकेट में है अभी आप बहुत आपकी उम्र हो जाए तो भी आप खेल सकते हैं, वैसा तो बॉक्सिंग में नहीं था। इसके लिए फिर कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया फिर बाद में हाँ बोलने के लिए शादी से।
आगे मैंने अभी दूसरे क्षेत्र में उसको शुरू डाल दिया है, यानी कारखानदारी के क्षेत्र में। तो वहाँ मैंने उनको आदर्श JRD टाटा यानी कि हिंदुस्तान के सबसे बड़े इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट है उनका आदर्श दिया है।
आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई हस्बैंड बिकॉज ही वेरी एक्चुअली उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा गेम खेला है। और उनका बचपन का वो जो माहौल था वो वहाँ से निकल कर वो इतने दूर तक पहुँच गए, उससे मुझे बहुत खुशी है। और अभी हम जब जाते हैं बाहर शॉपिंग या कुछ फंक्शंस के लिए तो लोग मुझे पहचानते कि ये बॉक्सर की बीवी है, तो बहुत ही फील होता है, अच्छा फील होता है कि मुझे लोग पहचानते हैं कि मैं इनकी बीवी हूँ, ऐसा बहुत खुशी होती है मन में।
Pingle was one of the few sportspersons who was rewarded for his success soon after his exploits. The Arjuna Award was conferred on him in 1993 and filled his cup of joy. Pingle had, by that time, quit the boxing scene altogether and got into his own business, deciding that it was better to go when he was still fit rather than retiring after getting beaten by new pugilists.
The day I got the Arjuna Award, that was my happiest moment of my boxing career, what I feel, because I was in boxing for 15 years. I got nothing out of it, just a name only, and I feel that boxing Arjuna Award was the only reward I got from the boxing.
For Maharashtra, after Pingle and Mukund Kelkar, they have not been good boxers, and it is from the northeast that the boxing talent is emerging. For a boxer, however, the state or the organization does not matter after the initial euphoria. For there are national camps in different parts of the country which are followed by competitions which make it compulsory for them to be totally focused only on the rings and the bouts. Pingle is from the rich lineage of boxers of the country who've made good from whatever few facilities there were, and the rest was due to his latent talent and skill.
He's a very soft-spoken person, and whatever activities a coach tells him, he'll be doing it sincerely and faithfully. He was very sincere and faithful in his work. I mean, he was kind of dedicated to boxing, I should say. And that dedication and that love for the boxing has really helped him out in the long run.
I'm really very much interested to start coaching because actually even after retiring, that time I was very much fit to fight in international tournament. But for my career, I left the boxing and start my own business. And that's why I'm not what I did in boxing, and what I want to do, which I couldn't do, that I want to make it from other boys by teaching new boxers and take them to international boxing.